Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with Smashbook 31 Day Smashbook Challenge. I am on day 20, and it is quotes. So, I picked 3 people, 3 women. So, here we go. What makes you different or weird? That's your strength. Meryl Streep. Find out who you are and do it on purpose. Dolly Parton. Butterflies are like women. We may look pretty and delicate, but baby, we can fly through a hurricane. Betty White. 3 very, very wise women. So there is my quotes. It said quotes. I don't have a quote for myself except do what you love and be who you are. There we go. That's my quote. So there you go, everybody. Day 20 quotes. As always, thanks for watching, and go check out my crafty styles and Sandy. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.